Hello everyone, Shanta here. Hope you guys are having a beautiful day. So I am here to share with you guys my swap submission that I created for Scrappin for My Boys, the bag topper swap. So let me show you what I used really quickly. On one of them, this Hello Die Cat Scrappiness, I used this Avery L treat topper die from Avery L. This one is called the large treat bag die. That one right there. Let's see. I used these rose bold blossoms dies from Ellen Hudson. Those two. And this paper collection right here. I noticed I post a lot on Instagram when I don't get a chance to do videos, and I noticed I use a lot of pink, and pink is not even my favorite color. You know, all you guys know that turquoise is my favorite color. And so once I was looking through that, I decided not to use any pink. So here is the first topper. Right here, the Hello is cut out from that poster board from Hobby Lobby. You know, I get it when it's two for $1. The foil poster board, and I dotted up the other flower and blinged it up, and it is all sprayed to death. I don't know if you can see the spray. It is sprayed to death with my Radiant spray. I have refilled this up with water 2 or 3 times. It's starting to, I think this is going to be all I can do with it. And then I'll use my other spray to make some more. But that is my first one. Hello bag topper. Oh, and you want to scrap. No, these are, we are want to scrap pearls on this one. My second one, I used this punch right here, Teresa Collins Love Punch, Mason Jar Punch, Heart Punch, Heart Punch. The second one I did all punches, and I used this. I bought this die time it came out, never used it. It's been in my stash all this time, so I finally bust this out and used this. And here is this topper. You see, I use some of my favorite color. Yes, darling. Yes. And that little embellishment, that mason jar, I got that from this pack right here that I bought last year from Michael's after Valentine's Day, around Valentine's Day last year, 2017. And of course, I've never used. So that's what that came from. And just see, it's just simple and cute. And I use these bases are the Recollection 110 pound, because I wanted my bases to be sturdy, which is why I didn't use pattern paper. And these are this green and this peach is all paper tray ink. All right, and that is it. And I packaged them very simply. I just wanted this to be the just the presentation, right? So I just put a black sheet of, you know, Recollection thick cardstock in the back, laid them on the top, and put the goodie on the back. All right, that's all I did for presentation. I was just really stuck on how to send these because I don't want them to get smushed. All right, so that is it. You guys have a blessed day. I will be back with another video. Bye.